Welcome to Asharfa English.
Hi there.
Hello.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am.
My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name, buddy?
I am Alex.
Welcome to the park.
Thank you, Tom.
How old are you, Alex?
I'm 17. And you?
I'm 17 as well.
Which school do you attend?
I go to Green Hill. You?
I'm at Oakwood School.
Do you come here often?
I come every evening here.
Me too. I love parks.
Parks are fun and relaxing.
What do you play here?
I play football and run.
I like playing football too.
Great. What position do you play?
I usually play as a forward.
Nice. I play as a goalkeeper.
We can be on the same team.
Let's play after we talk.
Sure. What's your hobby?
I like photography. What's yours?
I enjoy hiking in the mountains.
Wow, that's awesome.
Maybe we can go on a photo walk. Yes, let's do that one weekend. Do you like video games?
Yes, I play on weekends.
What kind of games do you like?
I like role-playing games.
Nice. I like strategy games.
That's a good choice.
Do you like playing outdoors?
Yes, it keeps me active.
I play cricket with friends.
I prefer football over cricket.
That's great. Sports are fun.
They keep us very healthy.
Do you read English books?
Yes, short stories mostly.
Do you like eating snacks?
Yes, I love chips and juice.
I like popcorn and cookies.
Sweet snacks are the best.
What time do you sleep?
Around 9 every night.
I sleep at 9 too.
Good sleep keeps us fresh.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Cool. I have a cat.
What's your cat's name?
His name is Whiskers. Yours?
Mine is Max, the dog.
I love animals so much.
Me too. They're our friends.
Let's bring them next time.
Great idea. They'll love it.
Do you travel with family?
Yes, we go every summer.
I visited mountains last year.
I went to the beach.
Beaches are fun and sunny.
I built a sandcastle there.
Did you swim in water?
Yes, it was so cool.
I want to swim too.
We should go next summer.
You're very friendly.
You're friendly and fun too.
Do you like solving puzzles?
I love brain games too.
I have a puzzle book.
I want to try that.
I'll bring it tomorrow, okay?
Perfect. I'm excited already.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I ride every day.
Let's race sometime, okay?
Sure, I love racing bikes.
What color is your bike?
It's red with black stripes.
Mine is blue and white.
Both sound really cool.
Do you play board games?
Yes, I like chess a lot.
Chess is fun but hard.
I'll teach you some tricks.
That would be awesome.
Are you good at drawing?
I draw animals and nature.
I want to see sometime.
I'll bring my sketchbook soon.
It must be interesting.
What do you eat daily?
I eat rice and vegetables.
I like noodles and soup.
My mom makes tasty noodles.
I want to try hers.
Come over for lunch sometime.
Do you help your mom?
Yes, I clean and dust.
That's nice. I help too.
Helping feels really good inside.
Do you visit your grandma?
Yes, every Sunday with family.
I visit mine on holidays.
Grandmas tell the best stories.
True. I love bedtime stories.
Me too. They're so magical.
What do you fear most?
I fear the dark sometimes.
I fear snakes and spiders.
I once saw a snake.
Really? What did you do?
I ran away very fast. Good idea. Safety comes first. Always. Better safe than sorry.
Can you swim in pool?
A little. I'm still learning.
Me too. Swimming is tricky.
But it's fun and cool.
Do you go to library?
Yes, I borrow books weekly.
I like comic books most.
I prefer mystery and adventure.
Do you want to read together? Sure, that's a fun plan. Let's meet there this Saturday.
Okay, I'll bring my card.
What's your dream job, friend?
I want to become a pilot.
Wow, I want to teach kids.
Teaching is a noble job.
Pilots fly high and free.
I love the sky view.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue and green.
Mine is red and black.
Cool. Those colors are bold.
Do you play with cousins?
Yes, we play every Sunday.
My cousins live far away.
You must miss them often.
Yes, but we video call.
That's a great way, really.
Do you ever feel bored?
Yes, when I have nothing.
I draw when I'm bored.
I listen to music then.
Do you believe in aliens?
I think they might exist.
Me too. Space is mysterious.
So many stars and planets.
Do you have many friends?
Just a few good ones.
Now you have one more.
Yes, you're my new friend.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like apples.
Apples are healthy.
Yes, they are.
I like to eat bananas.
They are nutritious and healthy too.
Do you go to the cinema?
Yes, with family or friends.
I went last month.
What did you watch?
I saw a mystery film.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was very clever. I enjoy solving mysteries too. Maybe we should watch one together.
That's a good idea.
Do you sing or play instruments?
I can play the guitar.
That's amazing. I can't play anything.
I can teach you some basics.
That would be great.
Do you watch YouTube often?
Yes, I watch educational videos.
I like travel and language videos.
That's how I improve my English.
Me too. They help with new words.
Let's meet again tomorrow too.
Okay, same place and time.
Bring your comic book tomorrow.
And you bring puzzle book.
Deal. This park is great.
It's perfect for meeting friends.
I'm glad we talked today.
Me too. I feel happy.
Let's always stay good friends.
Yes, friends forever from today.
Bye for now. See ya. Bye, Tom. See you soon.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.